Dear student, class 12th, subject chemistry, content name coordination compound. Dear student, we are going to study the introduction of coordination compound, ligand, coordination number, color, magnetic properties, IUPAC nomenclature of mononuclear coordination compound, type of their bonding. After that, we have studied the Werner theory in reference of valence bond theory and crystal field theory. After the Werner theory, we are going to study the isomerism and organometals compound. So, dear student, when two or more salt are mixed together in simple molar proportions, they form a additional compound. That additional compound are known as sometimes double salt and sometimes they are called complex salt. Double salt. Double salt are those addition compounds which break down into their constituent part when dissolved in water or any other solvent. These constituent compounds also ionize in solution and presence of all the ion can be tested. Means they have their existence in solid state only, but in their solution these get divided into their constituent compound, element, ions and atoms. All the constituents ion present in their aqueous solution of a double salt can be tested at the laboratory. Example: KCl into MgCl2 into 6s2O, FeSO4 into NH4 whole twice into S into 6s2O, K2Cr2O7 and different. In form of in case of complex salt are those addition compound which retain their identity even when dissolved in water or any other solvent, and their properties are completely different from those of the constituent. Complex compound retain their identity in their solid state or molten state or their aqueous solution. All the constituents ion present in the aqueous solution of complex salt cannot be tested because in a complex compound the bond present between the central metal ion and ligand is always coordinate. Complex salt and their physical and chemical properties are always different from their constituent elements. So dear student, at this content we are going to study the complex salt that are known as the coordination compound. In coordination compound, we use different type of terminology and terms to elaborate their characteristic. First, coordination ion. An ion or complex compound whose constituent do not give test in solution means they are generally do not dissociate in their ions, center metal or atom. An atom or ion present in complex ion or compound forming bond with a number of ion or molecules against normal valency rule that are known as the center metal. It follow the valence bond theory and their postulate. Ligand. Neutral molecules or ion, anion, cation or another radical bonded to center metal atom or join against normal valency rule in a complex or coordination compound are called the ligand. According to electronic theory, the valency of ligand from bond with the center atom or ion by sharing electron pair donated by itself. A ligand may have one or more than one donor atom. On the basis of ligand are classified monodentate, di or bidentate, tridentate or poly or ambidentate. Only one atom of ligand act as a donor, that are monodentate. Two atom of ligand act as donor known as the bidentate. Three atom of ligand act as a donor known as the tridentate. Ligand having two donor atoms but using only one donor atom according to need, they are called ambidentate. Suppose the NO2, sometimes it is known as the nitrate, sometimes it is known as the nitrite. When N or O, it is the donor particle of that atom. Coordination number. It is the number of monodentate ligand bonded to center metal ion in a complex compound. In other words, it is a total number of chemical bond formed between the donor atom of the ligand and a center metal ions. IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. So, dear student, we are going to study the rule and regulations and ethics which are followed by us to elaborate the nomenclature of complex salt or coordination compound. First order of the naming ion. If the compound is ionic, cation is named first, then anion is second. In naming the coordination sphere, ligand are named first and then the center metal ion followed by its oxidation number indicated by numerical in parentheses. Ending the name. There is no distinguished termination of complex cation and neutral molecules in the case of anionic complex. The name of central metal ion can be end with the 8. It is the special features. Naming of the ligand. The name of negative ligand end in O. Positive ligand end with IUM. If neutral ligand is organic, it is named as such IL. Suppose then hydrido, fluoro, chloro, nitrito, nitrito, nitrito O, dioxy, nitroto O, cyano, isocyano, nitrosonium, hydrogenium, aqua, carbonyl, hydroxy, ethylene, diamine, triple triphenyl phosphine. Ligand in a complex, if are more than one type, then are written in the alphabetically order. The number of each type of ligand are indicated by using the prefix di-tri-tetra. If we have take a complex ligand, suppose an ethylene diamine tetraacetate EDTA, we use bis tris tetrakis prefix before that name. The ligand which act as bridge between two metals atom are indicated by Greek letter mu. Nomenclature of geometrical isomers by the use of term cis and trans by use of number. If the two identical ligands are at adjacent positions, then cis term is used. If they are at opposite positions, trans term is used. Nomenclature of optical isomer. If the complex is dextro-rotatory, it is designed by plus or D. If it is labo-rotatory, then it is designated by minus or L. In the ambidentate ligand, donor atom is also written in prefix with the consecutive isomerism. So, dear student, we are going to study the new terms or new term coins isomerism in coordination compound. When the compound having equal molecular weight, identical molecular formula and the same percentage of elements show differences in their physical or chemical properties or both, they are called isomers. The phenomena that gives rise to isomers is called isomerism. Isomerism is a general characteristic of organic compounds. In organic chemistry, complex compound also exhibits isomerism. Coordination compound exhibits two main type of isomerism. First is structural isomerism, second is stereoisomerism. Isomerism, it is divided into two parts. First is structural isomerism, second is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism divided into further group: ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, polymerization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, salt isomerism, ligand isomerism. It is the classified part of structural isomerism. Geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism is the type of stereoisomerism. So, dear student, first structural isomerism. Isomerism means we are going to study the structural isomerism. Isomerism exhibited due to the difference in structure of molecules of compound having the same molecular formula is called structural isomerism. Suppose then we have take two complexes having the same molecular formula CONH3 का whole tetra Cl2 and NO2. One time we take the chlorine in form of primary valency, second time we take the NO2 in primary valency, means both complexes we transfer the ions in primary valency to the secondary valency and secondary valency to the primary valency. Coordination isomerism. This isomerism is found in those complexes which have both cation and anion in complex form and both central metal ion can exchange ligand. Ligands on bonding with different center ions. Polymerization isomerism. In this isomerism, complex have the same stoichiometrical composition but their molecular composition are simple multiple of lower. Hydrated isomerism. In this isomerism, this isomerism arises due to different number of water molecules inside and outside of the coordination sphere. Salt isomerism. This isomerism occurs when a ligand is bonded to center metal ions in two different ways. Suppose then we take the NO2 in form of nitro. One time it is a nitrito. O is a ligand. It is a donor of lone pair electron. Second time nitrito N is the donor of electron pair. Dear student, in coordination compound, explanation of bonding was proposed by Warner first of all, means Warner theory of coordination compound. This initial study of inorganic complex compound was concerned with the structure and occurrence of hydrated double salt such as potassium, carnallite. These compounds were called molecular or addition compound because they are formed by the combination of two or more than two stable molecules and break into their constituent compound and dissolving in water or any other solvent. These theories were, however, unsuccessful in explaining the stability and nature of bond in molecules such as COCl3 into 6NH3, COCl3 into 6H2O. Means in 1893, Alfred Werner used the theory of auxiliary valency or residual valency to explain the structure and nature of bond in such compounds. That important postulate of Werner's coordination theories means जब हमने इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के एडिशन कंपाउंड प्रिपेयर किए तब उनके स्ट्रक्चर, उनकी स्टेबिलिटी और मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए डिफरेंट थ्योरी प्रपोज की गई, लेकिन वो सारी थ्योरीज फेल नहीं इनके पास्टुलेट को इलेबोरेट करने में। तब जाकर 1893 में अल्फ्रेड बर्नर ने ऑक्सिलरी वैलेंसी या रेसिडुअल वैलेंसी वर्ड कॉइन किया और इन कॉइन किए गए वर्ड के थ्रू उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की कि किस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर और बॉन्ड का नेचर क्या होता है ऐसे एडिशन कंपाउंड में। मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू बर्नर थ्योरी, इन कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स two type of valency are exhibited by metal atom. First, primary or ionizable valency and secondary or non-ionizable valency. Primary valency are satisfied by negative ions and follow the valence bond theory and their postulate. But secondary valency are satisfied negative ions or neutral molecules or rarely by positive ions or group. पहला postulate, कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड में सेंट्रल मेटल टू टाइप की वैलेंसी शो करता है। पहली प्राइमरी वैलेंसी जो कि आयंस द्वारा सेटिस्फाई होती है और आयनिक बॉन्ड के कारण ये आयंस रिलीज करते हैं और एट्स इट फॉलो द बैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी। सेकंड, सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी, इसे नॉन आयनाइजेबल वैलेंसी भी कहा जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि यह निगेटिव चार्ज एटम्स के थ्रू सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती। मीन्स इसमें एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर होता है, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर लिगेंड की तरह वर्क करता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करता है और सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी शो करता है, जिसे हम कोऑर्डिनेशन बॉन्ड के नाम पर जानते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, सपोज देन हमने लिया COCl3 into 6NH3. It is formed by ammonia to cobalt chloride. In this compound, the primary valency are satisfied by 3 chloride ions and secondary valency by 6 ammonia molecules. Means chlorine is a ionizable bivalent part, but NH3 in form of ligand, it's donate a lone pair electron to the central metal and form the coordination bond. So it is a non-ionizable, so it is known as the secondary valency. The primary valency are ionizable, while secondary valency are non-ionizable and correspond to the coordination number. The secondary valency are always directed toward fixed position in the space about the center atom in such a way that this lead to definite geometry of the coordination compound. कहा गया कि प्राइमरी वैलेंसी आयनाइजेबल होती है, जबकि सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी नॉन आयनाइजेबल होती है, लेकिन सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी से बॉन्डेड लिगेंड ट्राई डायमेंशन में एक फिक्स स्पेस से फिक्स ज्योमेट्री शो करते हैं। Werner has classified the atom or group coordinated to the center atom into two attraction sphere, internal or coordination sphere, external or ionizable sphere. Neutral molecules or oppositively charged ion are coordinated around the center ion in the internal sphere. These non-ionic atoms or group which are coordinated to the center atom or ion are written in square bracket for the purpose of distinction. मतलब हमारे पास दो तरह के स्पेयर मिलते हैं, एक लार्ज एक स्मॉल। लार्ज स्पेयर में हम कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स को बंद करते हैं या पैक करते हैं, जबकि छोटे ग्रुप में हम लिगेंड को सस्टेन करते हैं। Not only neutral molecules but ion are also coordinated to center atom in the similar way. When ion replace the molecules in internal sphere, they lost their electrovalent character and attach themselves with the center ion through the non-ionic bond. Are the coordination compound which same formula in first compound experiment evidence in support of Werner coordination theory. Werner and other scientists made a detailed study of various complexes and determined the number of ions present in a complex by precipitating. Suppose then chlorine minus ion is precipitated by AgNO3 and molar conductivity. This has been clarified by cobalt amine compound. First, luteo-cobaltic chloride COCl3 into 6NH3. In this, यह एक ऑरेंज येलो क्रिस्टलाइन कंपाउंड है which react with concentrated sulfuric acid, release chlorine in form of HCl, CO2SO4 का whole thrice, जो 12NH3 remains behind. On mixing of AgNO3, in its aqueous solution, chlorine is precipitated as AgCl. Cobalt chloride are bonded together through a ionic bond. Similarly, on the treatment with HCl at 100 degrees Celsius, the NH3 present in it does not evolve out. Ammonia molecules are linked with higher stability within a compound. Conductivity measurement have revealed the presence of 4 ions in compound COCl3, 6NH3. 6NH3 molecules are linked with metallic cobalt ion CO3 plus through internal coordination sphere and Cl ion through the external coordination sphere. Means अमोनिया लिगेंड की तरह वर्क करता है, लोन पेयर को डोनेट करता है और कोऑर्डिनेशन बॉन्ड बनाता है, जबकि क्लोरीन बैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी को फॉलो करती है, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीव करती है सेंट्रल मेटल से और आयनिक बॉन्ड डेवलप करती है। सेकंड, प्रोजियो कोबाल्टिक क्लोराइड, यह इट इज़ अ पिंक कलर्ड क्रिस्टलाइन कंपाउंड। ये भी नेचर में ल्यूटियो कोबाल्टिक क्लोराइड की तरह होता है, बट इसमें एक NH3 मॉलिक्यूल से रिप्लेस किया जाता है वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से। ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इवॉल्व आउट होता है हीटिंग के समय पर। जब हम 100 डिग्री पर इसे गर्म करते हैं, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इज लिंक्ड विद कोबाल्ट इन सिमिलर वे एज एन स्टील। नेक्स्ट, परप्यूरियो कोबाल्टिक क्लोराइड। Perpurio cobaltic chloride is a purple colored crystalline compound. It releases two chlorines ion in the form of HCl when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Precipitated by AgNO3 indicates that presence of two chloride ions. Conductivity measurement have revealed the presence of total 3 ions in it. 5 ammonia molecules and 1 chlorine atom are linked in a stable way with cobalt and two chlorine atoms through ionic bond. Last one, Presio or Violio cobaltic chloride. These compounds are the same molecular formula among them. Presio is green colored, but Violio is a purple colored compound. They give precipitate with silver nitrate corresponding to 1Cl minus ion. Total number of ion in this case is 2. It has been known by their detailed study and both their compounds are isomers. Means बर्नर थ्योरी को कोबाल्टिक क्लोराइड एक्सपेरिमेंट में प्रूव किया गया। फर्स्ट COCl3 इंटू 6NH3 में 3 क्लोरीन प्राइमरी वैलेंसी एंड 6 क्लोरीन सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी। रोजियो कोबाल्टिक क्लोराइड में 2 क्लोरीन प्राइमरी वैलेंसी, 5 अमोनिया secondary valency and 1 ammonia is also so the secondary valency. Perpurio cobaltic chloride, we have found 2 chloride ions but 1 chlorine and 5 ammonia ions in form of secondary valency. Presio and Violio have released only 1 chlorine ion and 4 ammonia and 2 chlorine ions in form of secondary. Barnard used this coordination theory to explain the structure of cobalt third amine complexes. He represents secondary valencies by thick lines and the primary valencies by dot line. In this way, Barnard gives the structure of cobaltic ammonium chloride in different way and justify their structure and stability of that type of compound. Electronic interpretation of Warner theory. Sidgwick and Lowry transformed the Warner coordination theory on the basis of electronic theory of valency. He suggested that coordination bond to be center atom or ion, they exist at least one such atom which has such an electron pair not utilized in its own bonded structure. This electron pair is called a lone pair of electron during the coordination with a metal ion. Such groups donate these electron pair to the metal atoms or ions. Sidgwick introduced the concept of effective atomic number to support this theory. According to this concept, during the formation of complex compound, ligands are added until center metal atom possesses the number of electron as present in the next noble gas. Effective atomic number. Effective atomic number is obtained by adding the number of electron in center atom and the number of electron obtained by coordination number. Suppose then we take hexacyanoferrate 4 to 6. Then iron in iron atomic number 26. How many electron donated by Fe2 plus means 2 electron donated. How many electron gained by iron in form of ligand means we used 6 ligand means 12 electron are received by center metal. So their effective nuclear number, effective atomic number means EAN is 36. So dear student, we are going to study the detailed study of electronic interpretation of bonding, coordination bond, reference with the valence bond theory, crystal field theory, ligand field theory, MOT molecular orbital theory. First we are going to study the valence bond theory. The metal ion in the coordination sphere must contain vacant orbital of similar energy for formation of coordination bond. The empty orbital SPD in the center metal ion hybridize and form equal number of new orbitals. The empty hybrid orbital of central metal ion overlap with the filled orbital of ligand. The non Non-bonding metal electrons present in the inner orbital do not take part in the chemical bonding. After that, we are going to study the importance of coordination compound. Metal ion form coordination compound with various molecular species. These complexes have different physical and chemical properties. In qualitative analysis, the first group of cation in qualitative analysis, Ag and Hg ion are separated by the formation of soluble complex. Cadmium ion can be detected in the presence of copper ion. Some complexes act as a confirmatory test in various anion and cation. Fe3 plus ion tested by red sulfur cyanido complex. Sodium nitroprusside gives purple color with sulfides. Nestler reagent K2SgI4 means potassium tetraiodo mercurate second ion. Copper salt form blue colored complex with ammonia. Potassium ferrocyanide gives chocolate colored precipitate with copper ion. Nickel gives a bright red precipitate with dimethyl glyoxime DMG. Dimethyl glyoxime. Tollens reagents, Fehling solutions, Benedict solutions used in analysis are solutions of complex compound. In purifying metals, in the extraction of aluminum from bauxite is separated from other impurities by coordination chemistry. Ore is heated with concentrated solution, sodium hydroxide, Al2,3 get dissolved by the forming complex. The extraction of silver and gold, their ore sodium cyanide form the complex compound. In biological process, number of biological processes involved in coordination compound. Hemoglobin is a complex in iron Fe2 plus. Chlorophyll is a complex of Mg2 plus. Vitamin B12 is a complex of cobalt 2 plus. In treatment of lead poisoning, calcium ethylene diamine tetracetate injection is given to the patient of lead poisoning. Lead forms a soluble PbEDTA complex and comes out of the body within urine. In the treatment of cancer, platinum complex cis dichlorodiamino platinum second is used as anti-tumor agent in treatment of cancer. Mention करिएगा platinum complex anti-tumor agent as a catalyst in biochemical reaction. Many complex enzymes which contain metal ion MOCUFE act as a catalytic. Excess of iron and copper are excreted from the body of forming electroplating. A number of complex compounds are used as electrolytes in electroplating. In photography, sodium thiosulfate or sodium hyposulfate is used the fixation of film in photography. Nature of ligand can change redox behavior of metal ion. In water purification, it's an important quote. In a number of industries, water without metal ion is needed. Metal ion act as a catalyst to promote unwanted reaction in the industrial processes. Metal ion can change the properties of product formed, hence removal of metal ion is necessary. Complex formation is also a process of water treatment. EDTA and sodium salt is added to water, form complex metal presence in water. Suppose then iron second EDTA are found on here. Polyphosphate, sodium silicate, sodium carbonate are also used for the complex formation. Complex compounds play an important role in dye industries. Dye gets fixed to the fibers only through the insoluble complex. Alizarin dyes gets fixed to the fibers by forming complex with the metal salt. In determining the hardness of water, hardness of water is determined by the titration by EDTA. EDTA form a stable complex with the metal ion present in the hard water. Since the stability constant of calcium and magnesium complexes of EDTA are different. Both cation and anions may be stimulated by complex formation or stimulated in the form of EDTA. EDTA is also used in biometric analysis of zinc and other metals. Dear student, in next we are going to study the organometallic compound, that are G salt, ferrocene, dibenzene, chromium. Also study the structure of organometallic compound, application of organometallic compound. Dear student,